Hello, today I'll be roasting breadfruit and I will be showing you the different medium that I use to roast breadfruit. So here we have some breadfruit roasting. Before we roast the breadfruit, we have it green and we make a X. I make a X into the bottom of the breadfruit and put it on the coal stove, the stove that you're seeing now. This fire, we use coal, charcoal. These coals are derived from wood that were burnt to make these coal, and it's on a metal stove. What happened? We continue to turn the breadfruit on every side and until it is fully roast, until it is soft. Other way that I roast breadfruit is on the gas stove. First, I will line the stove with some foil paper to avoid a lot of mess when it is roasting. So at the end, I don't have much cleaning up to do. So as I said before, we core the breadfruit at the bottom. We remove the stem. We make an X in the bottom. And we place it on the stove on medium heat and gradually turn it until all of it has been roast. Or you know when it is roast, it is light and it is soft. After roasting the breadfruit, it can be peeled and be eaten the same way. However, I like to peel it, slice it, and then fry it. And this is what it looks like after frying. Thanks for watching. Please do remember to like and subscribe for more videos.